Hello parents, welcome to Parenthood. Congratulations for your newborns. Introducing you all to a newborn gift box from firstcry.com, the India's biggest store for babies and kids. So let's open it. And so begins the greatest adventure, brings you to delightful gifts to celebrate the new addition to your family. These are the First Cry stores of all over India. And here we go for newborn bathing essentials. The first one. This is a product of Mother Splash plant-powered laundry detergent with bioenzymes and eucalyptus oil. Effective on stains and gentle on baby skin. This one is Before Nappy Cream from Curatio. Directions for use are given on it. It is applied before putting on diapers. This one is plant-powered baby wash with avocado oil. It's a coconut-based cleanser from Mother Splash. This is a bathing bar from Curatio. This pack contains cleansing bar and drain tray to keep bar on it. These are the breast pads, very easy to use for breastfeeding moms. These are the baby wipes, again from Mother Splash. Provides gentle touch and as good as cotton and water with its 99% pure water-based formulations and all natural fabric. These are the baby diapers with 5-star skin comfort and premium care pants. So pamper your little ones and enjoy parenting. Thank you very much for watching this video.